What's going on, fishers? Welcome back to Market Fishers. So if it's your first time landing on our channel, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, because I'll be giving you guys high quality content when it comes to forex trading. And I'm gonna try to keep things simple because I want these videos to be beginner friendly so that anyone can just learn and take away as much value as possible from these videos. So comment down below what you think about this video at the end of, because hopefully you'll be able to take those 1% kicks, because what I want us to do in today's video is actually look into a pair that I was analyzing for the past few weeks, and it has been respecting structure, so I thought you guys might learn a lot from it. So I'll be giving you guys a top-down analysis and just the thought process on how I was looking at the trade. And yeah, let's just get into the charts and hopefully learn a lot. And comment down below, like, subscribe, to all those fun stuff. Yeah, so guys, welcome. We are now looking at USD CAD. So let me just make this thing like this. We are looking at USD CAD, and I'll start from the weekly time frame. Like I said, I want to break it down to you how I was able to get to that entry point. So let's just stop this one for now. And yeah, on the weekly time frame, what we are having here, guys, it's quite simple. We are looking for the outer structure. We are just describing what price is doing. So it's not a problem, I can put my lines like this just to say, okay, price has been pushing upward, came and bounced here, then pushed upwards again, and then tried to push it upside, and then there was not enough momentum, hence price broke all the way to the downside, gave us a beautiful retest and then shot to the downside. The reason price went all the way to the downside, it can be because of this structure. How we understand the nature of price is that if price printed an ascending structure like this, it's eventually going to break to the downside, right, reaching these levels. It has a high chance of reaching these levels. So that's what price has been doing here. As you can see, we reached our target here. So after that, price printed this beautiful, let's just delete everything because we don't want to confuse ourselves again. After that, price gave us this beautiful double bottom that we can easily spot here, because like we can see, price came down. This is a correction that's giving us a reversal to the upside, hence you see this push to the upside, right? We are still expecting price to further go up until these areas, because that's currently our highest point up to so far. We are looking to take price all the way up there, but what's happening now, it's like I said, the market moves in phases, right? There are phases that we can look at when you look at the chart. So like I said, the market moves in phases. There's the impulsive phase, there's the corrective phase, and then there's the impulsive phase, right? So even here we can see we have the impulsive phase, this is the corrective phase. We are waiting for that impulsive push to the upside, right? Then you can try it out yourself. Just look at how price is moving. Like take for example, we can even just look at this and say this is the push up, this is the correction, and then this is the push up, as I was explaining to you guys. But let's just go back to what we were looking at. We can see price gave us this beautiful double bottom that's supposed to go all the way to the upside, but currently what's happening, we are seeing this impulsive move to the upside, and then this is the correction. We are looking to capitalize on the upside movement. So we can see that now we got our direction, we are pushing to the upside. Let's move to the daily time frame now. So here we're looking to understand more of what price is doing. As you can see, we are able to spot this beautiful first touch here, this is our second touch here, and this is the third touch here. At Market Fishers, we teach a lot more about these multi-touches and how you can capitalize on it. But again, here we have this impulse, this is the correction. We are looking for that impulsive move to the upside, right? We have this touch, and also we can use our Fibonacci For those that don't know how to use the Fibonacci, comment down below and I'll create a separate video teaching you guys how to use the Fibonacci. But for the purpose of this video, let's take it you understand how the Fibonacci works. You just plot it from the first, because this is the impulsive move. Like I said, this is the impulsive move, this is the correction. So we started here at the beginning of the impulse, which is our first touch, second touch, all the way up there to where the market started fetching our third touch. So we to all the way to here, and then we are looking for those rejections at our level here of value, which is between 61.8 and 50.0, right? As you can see, for those that three support and resistance, this was rejections which created a resistance. Price went down, rejected, went down until it eventually went up again, and now it's now support. So this is support. As you can see, we also have support, so we can see we are looking for that push to the upside. Let's just do this, move to the 4-hour time frame, right? So this is the 4-hour time frame, as you can see. So now if we just zoom in here, the first thing that we are seeing here, just by looking at the 4-hour, we can easily spot this beautiful double bottom again here that we actually took advantage of, but I'll show you on the 1-hour time frame. But what we are seeing here on the 4-hour time frame is that price impulsed all the way to the downside, gave us a correction that is a double bottom. Because remember, even double bottoms are corrections, they don't have to be ascending and descending structures only. Even double bottoms are reversal patterns, because they have a correction that's indicating a push to the upside, hence price pushed all the way to the upside. Even here we are still expecting price to push up until at least these areas, but we are already out of this trade. But I want to show you how we were able to capitalize on this trade on the 1-hour time frame. Let's jump on our time frame now. Okay guys, on the 1-hour time frame, this is where we got our entry, and I want to show you. But quickly, like we said, on the 4-hour time frame, we identified this as being our double bottom, right? So when I saw this, price was already somewhere here. We executed our first trade. Let me show you how we were able to capitalize on that trade. So now, same as what I was telling you guys about, that the nature of price moves in impulse and corrective phases, following with another impulsive phases. As I saw here, that price pushed up and then it gave us this correction. That's when I executed my buy trade. Immediately as I saw this candlestick close to the upside, so price was still somewhere here, and then I had my stop loss. I didn't want to make it too tight here. I put it just here on the previous row, and then my target was all the way up there. I had my first target being here, right? I was looking at the beautiful 4%, but what price did here, it actually took us out after this impulsive move, because price, let me show you, was still somewhere at this point, right? So I did move my stop loss to somewhere here, right? As you can see, I was still expecting it to go further upwards, but price, what it did, it went up and then gave us this correction. I wasn't hoping for it to break below this stop loss of mine, but price eventually broke it, took us out, and then gave us this corrective structures. So as price was doing all this, I was just waiting until eventually price gave us something like this, right? So I did enter another buy trade after this candlestick right here. Let me show you. This is a pattern that even if you can search on the internet, you will find it, whereby
executed after this rejection here. Yes, it did close below my trend line, but it was giving me this rejection candlestick, of which after it closed, I waited again to see if we will push to the upside, because this could have easily gone to the downside. So after this bullish candlestick here, after it closed, I entered my buy trade here. Stop loss just below this candlestick here. My stop loss was just below this candlestick here, and my target was the same as the previous one. As you can see, price was just shooting all the way to the upside. So my target was here. This was my first target, of which price hit it beautifully. Yeah, I think I exited it took us into profit here. It was a 11% trade that I entered in. So now price is still pushing to the upside, but I'm still waiting for a clear entry, because now this can also result to the downside, or it can also push to the upside. So I'm just waiting to see what happens.